За сайн байцгаана уу. Өглөөний мэнд. За өнөөдөр эхний бичлэг Battlefield 4 эхэлнэ. Нэг юм мартчих. Шинжний хэрэглэлтийг таруулахгүй бол дисплей карт маань халаад байх бах та. Жохо өндөр зөргөлтөд тавлаа л да. За шинжний хэрэглэлтийг за 90 өдөр болох бах. За кампейнч нэг нэг нормал. Тэр нь аль дээр сонсч байсан юм. Ямар ч тоглоомыг эцэж битгий сэдвэр тоглож гэж. Оромгол эдийн. За ингээд Battlefield 4.
Hey, Rucker, you conscious? Get back in the game, man. Stay with me.
Nice play, Rucker. That's some of the finest driving I've ever seen. Right there until the end. Hit the light pack.
Oh, shit. Seat won't budge. It did, Sergeant.
Irish, the worst thing we can do in a situation like this is panic.
Talk like that, man. You scared the crap out of me. Hey, help me move this seat, man. We're still sinking. Shit. Get you out of here, Doug. You hear me?
How, man?
Frozen stuff. Shit!
This wasn't how it was supposed to happen, Irish. Rucker, take my gun.
The fuck you thinking,
Yours
Doug?
now.
The fuck you thinking?
For the wolf to survive, it's got to chew off its own leg.
Fire! Negative, don't do it!
Now, Rucker, shoot out the window.
That's an order! Don't you fucking do it, Recco!
Save yourselves. Get out of here. Get out of here!
Fucking bullshit, man! You hear me?
Shoot out the window, you all die!
Цонхыг бодохгүй бол бүгдээрээ хүнээр. Цонхоо бод бүгдээрээ хүнээ. За зургал эффектүүд бол гайгүй. Тэгээд тоглосон. Зэрэг тоглож байсан. Тэгээд би нэг шүүтер тоглоомыг сонирхдаггүй л байсан. Battlefield 3 тоглолтог болсноос хойш шүүтер гейминг тоглож байна. Тэгээд Battlefield 3 гэх. Ер нь 4-өөс илүү 3 байна шүү. 4 зураг хэлтэй.
Apology, drop! Damn it, Riker. I almost shot you in the face. You lost your tail. Ease up, Pack. hell you been?
After the handoff went pear-shaped, I came straight here. They were Russians, right? Spec ops, 1 second they're there, the next they're not.
Take deep breaths, son. You got the intel?
Yeah, got it.
Nice play. Shit. It's already daylight. We gotta get to the extraction point. You got a 20 on Irish?
I thought he was with you.
I'm breaking radio silence. Tombstone 3, Tombstone Actual. What's your 20?
Tombstone Actual. Inbound from the north. Coming in hot. Requesting cover fire on my retreat.
They copy, Irish. We got you. Right, gear up and get ready. Position by the window. We gotta cover Irish.
Hold your fire.
Here he is! Irish, watch out!
Fuck off of me.
Wrecker! Hostiles in the windows, across!
They got me pinned.
More incoming. See him?
Heads up, engaging!
Two more on the left. Drop them.
Nice shot!
Irish, get up here. Anything still moving? Got them all. Clear.
Yeah.
You okay, Irish?
Fuck, man. I guess the safe I've seen so safe.
Tombstone, on the move.
Одоо миний
Fortress,
тоглож
this is
байгаа.
Tombstone Actual.
Correct.
We got the package, but stirred up a hornet's nest. Moving towards
Terminator
extraction.
на
Roger that, Tombstone. Helo's inbound. Get your squad in position. Out.
Баксис Монголиа жахата. Баксис 3 Монгол.
Low, in the atrium.
Эндээс
Spotted us.
Take them out together. Tag them and give the signal. Good teamwork, Tombstone. Careful, we're in the side room. Watch out, I'm fired. Will do. Negative, reloading. Ready to engage, Record. Clear! Give me a sit rep.
Fudged up.
No way around. Get down. Everyone okay? All right, make it sing. Fire in the hole, everybody! One, let's go.
Зургийн хувьд л тэжих байна уу?
Tombstone Actual, this is Firebird 2-1. We're inbound. What's your ETA, over?
Good to hear you, Hawkins. We're making progress.
Get your guys up on that roof. Don't keep me waiting.
Right. Scan the area.
That's the building.
It's more like half of it.
Yeah, the two smokestacks. Straight across. You see it, Record?
cover your advance. Just send me targets.
Thanks, Firebird. Got that, Recker?
Copy that. Engaging. Hang on. Gotta reload. Okay, give us your targets.
Бат хийхдээ үнэхээр одоо хийхдээ онцлог авдаг. Шийдэл машин онгоц. Шийдэл. Аа. Тэгээд бас
Ready to engage. Give me a target.
юм. Баргийн юмнууд юм гэдэг.
Cross the yard, through that drain pipe.
Jackson, here we go.
Okay, standing by for targets. Yeah, I see them.
Got it!
Stand by, we're reloading.
All right, ready to move.
Ready to engage. Hey, you got more heat signatures on the ridge ahead.
Өөс хаа.
Got it. Coming in now. Reloading. Be right with you.
Аа. Good.
Okay, give us your targets.
Юусэн яагаад.
Target acquired. We got him on the run. Push on.
Drain pipe, it's the only way through.
Almost there. Stay sharp.
Одоо энэ баг фильтрийн итлэр дээр нь шүний мод гарч байгаа. Тэр нэг тааж юм. Баг фильтрийн нэг жоохон тоглож байгаа. Энэ баг фильтр. Ураа гүйцэхгүй байдаг. Хадалсан.
RPG!
Copy that. Engaging.
Уран зөв байдаг.
Tombstone actual. Gotta pull away to stay clear of their RPGs. Stick to the plan, Dunn. Push onto the roof.
Come on! Keep up!
Truck.
Line him up, Brett!
Watch out. Don't let them close.
All right, Rector!
Эндээс нэг. Хуучин тоглож байсан. Танцыг аваад байсан. Танцсан. Шинэ үеэр нь авч байгаа. За төгчлөө.
The entrance is clear. Push into the factory.
Freaky old place creeps me out.
Yep. It's a real shitty job that reminded me of home. Well done. Sorry I blew cover back there.
Надад бас хамгийн юм байна.
Roll out. Clear. Corners, guys.
Баав эффекттэй нэрийг олохгүй. Баавлас саа.
This shit is the best way up.
It's the fastest. No time to explore any options.
Wait till you see the terrace view.
Oh, I expect to be blown away. Shut up. Eyes peeled.
Кампаниж бол ерөнхийдөө нэг
Tombstone actual, radar's lighting up. We got hostile air.
Motherfucker's gonna tear this place down.
What? How far is it? I think this is the top floor.
Tombstone actual, where the hell are you?
Top floor. Funny.
It's backing off. Done. Get everyone in the chopper, now.
This intel better be fucking worth it. Move it.
Get in here now. The building's unstable. Come on. Stand back. I've lost control. Shit. I'm hit. Going down.
ястай явуулж болчихлоо.
Holy shit. You okay, man? Pack inside the Hawkins and the rest of the crew?
No one survived that.
Get Dunn away from the wreckage.
I can't. He's buried.
Try. I'm over here digging up records.
My leg. Oh, man.
Jesus Christ, his leg looks like pop sausage.
You're gonna be fine, Don. You're gonna be okay, man. We're gonna get you out.
Pack the fuel.
Yeah, I know.
Stop. Wrecker, cover me. Get out now. Get out.
Please, I'll help you.
No, please. No, you have to get out of here. It's not safe. Civilians.
Rucker, I need your knife. Four staff sergeant. Gotta cut the leg. Gotta do what? Rucker, come here.
Get over there, Wrecker. I got this. Go.
A wolf stuck in a trap will chew off its own leg to survive. Come on. The bone's powder. Just flesh and uniform keeping me here. Do it. Cut it now.
We gotta go.
Is he dead?
He's not dead. He's just passed out. You're the combat lifesaver, man. You should know this, Pat.
It was like a 3-hour course.
Tombstone retrieved the intel. And in the event of a Chinese military coup, the Russians would be loyal to Admiral Chang.
That confirms the report from our asset in China.
So Staff Sergeant Dunn was killed for something we already knew?
There's rioting in the streets of Shanghai, Captain, and the Russians are getting involved. We needed to know for sure. That we had to lock down Suez is delicate enough. One wrong move, we're talking war. You have your orders, Captain.
Aye, aye. Steaming towards the east coast of China.
Martial fucking law for 1 billion people. They're pissed off about the assassination of Jin Jay. Who was he, sir? He was on deck for the presidency. Progressive. He pushed the government for transparency, fairness, freedom of speech. Admiral Chang convinced more than a few of them that we killed Mr. J. Now, if your operation blows up, Chang will have all the excuse he needs to give all that anger, all that hate, a real target. It'll be war. Now, your job is to pull VIPs out of the GU tower safe and sound. Extraction will be coordinated by one spook agent, Laszlo W. Kovic. Unless absolutely necessary, do not fire your weapons. Wrecker. Staff Sergeant Dunn felt you were the guy to lead the team, give orders if anything happened to him. His loss was tragic, to say the least. Don't make me regret honoring his last.
Hope nothing happens to the car.
Relax, little brother.